आता खबरो विस्तारान. मंगळारा दाबोळे विमानतळार सावन दलाई लामा गोंयांत दाखल जाले. तांच्या येवकाराक येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिन्हो विमानतळार हजर आशिल्ले. त्या भायर कितल्याशाच लोकांनी तांचो आशिर्वाद घेवपाक विमानतळार गर्दी केल्ली. गोंय विद्यापिठांत जावपी एका कार्यावळींत भाग घेवपाक ते गोंयांत आयिल्ले. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Dalai Lama's visit is in regard to a function at the Goa University. If you remember, His Holiness the Dalai Lama had come last time for a function at the Goa Institute of Management and interacting with young people, young minds, young students. He really inspires them. He is a reservoir of great knowledge and spirituality. So everybody comes also to seek his blessings besides the knowledge. And this is something which is very good for the young students, the people from Tibet who were in large numbers assembled here to meet him, as well as the public at large. We have seen how the people revere him and try to seek his blessings. And I think that is very good for all the Goans to see how they revere their spiritual leader, a leader who connects with the people well.